Customizing the Today page. All site staff should have the correct rights to customize their Today page, which means that all of the snapshots or widgets that you see, such as active repayments, monthly service request summary, can either be removed, added, or even moved around on the screen to your liking. In order to customize your Today page, simply go to the Customize link in the top right-hand corner there, and you will get a pop-up with options for how you would like to change your Today page. First thing I'd like to bring to your attention is the drop-down box in the upper left-hand corner. These are the categories of different snapshots or widgets that are available to you. So if you're not seeing something that you need, be sure you're going through all of the different categories, as these will all have different options for data that you can add to your Today page. If you're reviewing your Today page and you decide that there is something that is just not applicable to you, you don't need it on here for quick review. All of these boxes do have X's on the right hand side in the blue bar. And you'll see when I hover, it explains that this is to remove from view. So if I select the X here, maybe that one, I can remove that. If I then move my cursor on top of any of the boxes, in the middle you'll see that I get the 4 arrows for the little compass thing. And that tells me that I can move this around. So I can grab these and I can move them. However, if I move it in a way where it overlaps another item, you'll see that it then outlines that snapshot or widget in red. So that's telling me I cannot put that widget there. So if I let go, it's going to pop it right back to where it came from. So if you are overlapping, you'll notice the red lines. If you're not, you can set them right next to each other if you want. Create as much chaos as you'd like. And if you want to add a whole bunch of these and you're going, gee, this area that I can see is just not big enough for all of the items that I want on my Today page. If you continue to drag items down, you'll see the scroll bar here on the right hand side simply grows. So this is a nearly endless field. You can also move items to the right. You'll see I'm just clicking and holding my mouse button down and continuing to drag over. You'll see that the scroll bar is moving over to accommodate for that. So I'll leave that one all the way to the right, and I'll move this one down towards the bottom here. That way you can see exactly what that looks like when I save it. So I'm going to go through a couple of these. I'm going to add this one. You'll see it's quite a large snapshot here. Some of them do have the arrows on an edge where it looks like you can resize. Some of them do resize. This one doesn't go very far, so you can try and resize some of these, but not many of them really change in size. Whenever you're happy with how it looks, you can click Save. This area at the top with the dark black, you see it says Current Work Area, that is the visible portion of the Today screen. So if there's something you want to be able to see as soon as you sign on without scrolling, make sure that it's in this Current Work Area. I'm going to click Save, and it's going to refresh my Today page. And now you see the changes that I have made. The scroll bar does scroll to the right, and it also scrolls down. You'll see there's my recertifications widget. Just gotta scroll around, and here's my alerts and approvals here in a very confusing spot. However, if that is what makes you happy, be sure that you are taking advantage of customizing your Today page so that you can have all of the items that you need at a glance and make your life a little bit easier.